How to fix Kasa Smart Home App not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Update the app to its latest version. Close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. At the very top, you'll see the search box, or they type in the app name, Kasa, and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Solution 3. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option iPhone storage. In this page, you're gonna find the list of the apps. Head over to the app Kasa. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete the app, close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Kasa Smart. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Kasa Smart Home app not working. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.